Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Welcome to the end of the second week. Just want to let everybody know all your grades are done. I have finished everything from your written assignments to your discussions. I also posted some discussions as well on second post. A lot of cool things about that. If you have any questions, let me know about it. Other than that, let's get into it. So if you have any questions about the feedback, let me know. I noticed some things were missing, but it's all good. If you have any questions, I think people kind of took it a little easy, but it's all good. That's why it's room for improvement. If you have any questions, I always give a second chance. So if you want to improve your grades, you're more than welcome to. Just let me know if you want to turn it in again and with improvements, and I'd be happy to go from there. So yeah, other than that, grades are pretty decent. So far, so good. Other than that, let's talk about the end of week 2. Sorry if my voice is a little bit dead. My congestion's kind of all over the place. But at the end of week 2, I talking about responses to stimuli and finishing up perception as a whole. So before we get into semiotics, so let's get into that a little bit. So it's really important because emotion ties into perception a lot of times. And the final element of perception, that's what we're going to discuss this week, is that of emotion. And we deal with emotional communication a little bit with perception. And much like culture, emotion plays a larger role in shaping our perceptions. Color affects emotion, but we can expand this to offer areas of visual presence. And our emotional perceptions are shaped visually through color, lighting, persuasive images, and so much more. So emotional communication ties a lot into perceptual communication. That's in there. Now, a lot of times there's difference of perception and how it's kind of with invoking stimuli, and we do this through 2 different methods: engagement and subtle. Sometimes we'll engage with you right off the bat with the message, much like an animal supporting commercial. That's very straightforward and it's very engaging because it allows you to donate today. That style of advertisement goes well because it's an ad that has an engagement interaction point on it. Or you might have some subtle perception moments with stimuli, much like the Toblerone logo where you can see the bear in the mountain. And it really is their main icon and everything. So that's a really cool aspect. They can do it subtly. Now, you also have to keep in mind that mood setting, colors, and lighting play effect to stimuli as well, because overall, visual perception is the process of seeing that is influenced by culture and emotion. So who we are as individuals are based upon the experiences. It helps shape what we find appealing or not, and how we might respond cognitively. So colors can give emotional responses, much like a sensory response due to a perceptual experience. Red means angry, happy is yellow, sick is green, blue is sad, love is pink. They all kind of play a part with everything, and that really helps out. But other than that, that's all I got for this week. Just a really quick intro into stimuli and how visual communications work with emotional communication. We'll talk more about emotional communication in week 5 and how that ties into persuasion and all the different styles of emotional considerations. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So I just want to let you know, you have your reply post due tonight for week 2. Make sure you have that done by 11:59 p.m. tonight before it switches over to the new day. Then you also have your PowerPoint assignment. If you have any questions about that, let me know. That's due Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. And then also your live lecture. Don't forget about that. 1 to 2 sentences of what we talked about in that lecture specifically, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope you guys have a great weekend. If you need anything, please let me know. Other than that, have a good one. Thank you, everybody. Take it easy. Bye-bye.